The laser alignment shows perfect geometric accuracy on the interface points.
Confirmed. Structural integrity is nominal.
After meticulous inspection, the TP400-D6 fuel manifold is signed off, ready for integration.
Initiating the self-test routine now.
Verification complete. All systems fully operational.
Alignment is good on this side. Same here. Ready for final torque. Torquing complete. Green light confirmed.
All right, team, final confirmation on the load sequence. Ensure all jigs are secured.
Check. Station 3 is secure.
Roger that. Station 4 clear.
Final structural lubrication for the Airbus A400M Atlas military transport aircraft pylon mount points. An automated...
Clear to lift. Watch your altitudes.
Holding steady for balance check. Confirmed stable.
All clear. Bring it east to the wing section.
Continue descent, slow, very slow, maintaining alignment. Approaching the 5 mm threshold. Threshold, steady pressure.
Check the pressure setting on the intensifier.
Confirmed. Set to maximum torque capacity.
Threads are clean, ready for the compound.
Synchronized bolt sequence initiated. Apply torque.
After pressurizing the system, a fluorescent fluid is applied. The UV scan reveals any critical leaks in the massive turboprop engine.
The successful integration of the electrical systems marks a major milestone in the assembly of the Airbus A400M Atlas wing.
Fuel systems check out.
Hydraulic and electrical are showing green.
Control synchronization complete. We have full integration.
The protective cap shields the output shaft during transition to Process B, ensuring the interface remains pristine for final assembly.
Process A is complete. Data transferred.
Acknowledged. We'll take it from here.
The quality control sensor array scans the blade route, checking for stress points before the component is hoisted.
Bring it forward 5 centimeters.
Copy. 5 centimeters forward. Watch the clearance on the turbine.
Try another half degree to the left.
Okay, applying rotation now.
We have green. It's locked.
That's the correct alignment. Go ahead and secure it.
Reading green on the seal integrity, we are integrated.
This high-precision machine measures the dynamic balance. We're looking for perfect rotational symmetry before the final sign-off.
Visual inspection complete on Engine 3.
Data scan confirms all parameters are within tolerance. Moving to system checks.
The thermal camera confirms the de-icing system is fully functional, essential for high-altitude operation of the A400M Atlas.
All checks complete. Structural integrity confirmed. 0 FOD.
Roger that. Process B assembly phase is signed off.
Tension level's good. Sensor initiating sequence.
And we have green. Secure for transit.
Guided by laser alignment systems, the massive wing assembly is maneuvered into position. This meticulous
Power Bus 1 engaged.
Confirmed. Sequence start.
Navigation lights on. Strobes armed.
Chocks are in place on the mains. Clear to connect the external lines.
Roger, connecting now. Stand clear of the intake area.
Fuel quantity and pressure.
Confirm nominal. FADEC status ready.
Arming engine start sequence.
With its 4 Europrop engines running smoothly, the aircraft showcases the precision achieved during the installation phase of Process B.